Hey guys, this video will show you exactly how to download iOS 16, the beta version. So we all know that the official iOS 16 will be released with the next generation iPhone. Most likely it will be the iPhone 14. But if you want to have iOS 16 beta version already on your current iPhone, you can do that by following the following steps. Well, the very first thing you need to do is to back up your iPhone. And to do so, just go to your iPhone. And my iPhone, this one is not backed up because I don't use anything on it. But make sure to back it up by going to back now. So if you hit back now, it should be backed up in a matter of time. So I'll just go ahead and cancel this backup because I'm not intended to do a backup right now. So let's go ahead and figure out how to download the iOS 16 beta version. So most likely in the past, you've already made your iOS updates and it was very easy. You just have to enroll to the Apple Developers Program. And after that, if you have done so, you could just go ahead, go to General Software Update, and it will show you that iOS beta version. But this time it's not the case. It's just showing me iOS 15.6. And this iPhone is enrolled to Apple Developers Program. So why am I not seeing anything on here? Well, that's maybe because iOS 16 beta version, Apple has not yet officially released that iOS update, but there's a workaround to do so, and therefore you just go to Safari. So it works with Safari. You shouldn't use Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for this one. Just go to Safari and search for beta developers. Just Google that, beta developers, and it should be this link right here. I've already clicked on it. The website is betaprofiles.com. So this is the website you should go to, and you might see some ads. Don't get scared of that. So it's not a buggy website or a website that has some malware on it or something. It's just a website where you can download your iOS 16 beta version. So scroll down and hit install profile, and it will show you this pop-up. By downloading and installing this profile, you're enrolled in Apple's Developer Beta Program. So you should be already enrolled into Apple's Developer Beta Program. To do so, you just go to beta.apple.com, and here on this website, you can just enroll into the Apple Beta Developer Program. Just hit get started, scroll down and enroll your iOS device into the public beta software program. And after that, if you've done so, you go back to that other website and hit install anyways, allow, and hit close. You don't need that anymore. So we don't need this website anymore. We go back. So we go out of Safari, we go to settings, we scroll up and we hit more for your iPhone. And if you go to profile downloaded, view profile, you'll find that you can install your iOS 16 beta profile. So let me go ahead and enter my passcode, and yeah, you just consent to this piece of text, hit install once again, and hit restart. And after your iPhone is restored, you should have the iOS 16 beta version on your current iPhone. And it works with, I guess, from iPhone 6s up until the latest iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max and 13 Pros. So yeah, if you have those iPhones, you can just download the iOS 16 beta version on your iPhone. Be aware that that version might have some bugs on it, but that's the reason why Apple enrolls that program. That's the reason why Apple allows us to enroll to that program, just to make sure that if we bump up into a bug or something, we're allowed, or we will be able to just email them and or send them a message about the bug that you've encountered. I hope you've liked this video. Check out my recent video I've made about what storage you should get for your iPhone if you are on the fence of buying a new iPhone. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.